How to get free gifts from Temu. Let's get started. First up, launch your Temu app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. First up, if you are a new user, you'll usually see a new user gift option when you open the app. Tap on it and you'll be able to claim your free welcome bundle. In case you are the existing user, what you have to do is navigate to the U tab. Now click on the settings icon given at the top right. Click on the option country and region. Now from the list of the regions, set it to Canada or United States. This will offer lots of free gift and amazing offers. Once you set it to United States or Canada, you can head back. Navigate to the U tab. Here you're gonna find the option earn reward. And here you're gonna find different option. Using any of these options, you can easily earn free gift. 10 items for $0, 100k gift, redeem credit or sign into Temu. You can try out all these options available over here. Likewise, invite friends to join Temu using your unique code. Successful referrals can unlock free items for both you and your friends. Engage in games like Farmland or Fishland within the app. Completing certain tasks or reaching milestones can earn you rewards. Likewise, check your messages. Temu frequently sends promotional messages. Look for any notifications about free gift or special offers. Go to your profile and tap on this section to see available promotions. So this way you can get free gift from Temu. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.